Selamünaleyküm everyone, welcome to Ozyar Projects YouTube Real Estate channel. I am Hakan Özer. Today we enjoy a lot when we were making this video. You will see it on the video because we have really rich social amenities. So welcome guys again. Where are we? We are in our beautiful city of Kocaeli. As a Kocaeli, we are in Kartepe region. And I would like to introduce brand new, very luxury apartment complex for you. And what we have as a general specification for this apartment project, we have 37,000 square meters project area. On this 37,000 square meters project area, we have 16 blocks and 501 luxurious apartments, and the variation of the apartments are starting from 1+1 up to 4 rooms plus 1 living room. And but you should hurry up, we have really limited units in this beautiful compound. And today we are proud of the sharing with the really good package for you for your citizenship investment. We would like to show you 2 luxury apartments, which is our 3 rooms plus 1 living room. One of them is the roof duplex, the other one is the garden duplex. And when we consider the position and the specification and the rental income of that properties, believe me, when you are getting your Turkish citizenship by CBI, you will get it as a good passive income as a rental. So what we have over here, first of all, I want to get your attention for location-wise. As you see, we are on flat area and we are in very central location in Kartepe. It is just 10 minutes far away from here to city center. And also we are so closely connection for the highways too. You are eligible to go to Istanbul in less than 1 hour from here too. It's important because you know when you making the investigation in Turkey, you have to consider the location wise to the international airport. In this case, nearest international airport is the Sabiha Gökçen, and believe me, you can go to the Sabiha Gökçen International Airport less than 1 hour, of course in the normal condition of the traffic too. And when we focus on this project offers you 5-star life conditions. Each detail was thought for your pleasure. Like this, we have really good social facility amenities, really good plantation in the compound, renting clock security, huge indoor parking lots, children playground area, in and outdoor swimming pool, more. And I would like to introduce that 2 apartments as a package. List price of that 2 units is $460,000 US. And with that investment, you can get your citizenship and you can get the rental income. For now, it's going to be around your rental income for 2 units is going to be around 80,000 Turkish liras. When we convert to dollar, it's going to be first nearly 2,000 US dollars as a rental income per month. And also, I'm behind my statement, I'm behind my word. When we consider return of investment of this project, believe me, you are eligible to get more beneficial return of investment. Why? Because I know the reference point of the people are the Istanbul. When we consider the rental income and or when you are selling at your property after 3 years, believe me, this project, believe me, this city, the project in our city, in Kocaeli, has really good advantage in this case too, because of, first of all, location-wise. The second of all, the Kocaeli is the richest city in whole Turkey, and at the same time, it is the center of the industry. At the same time, also in the Marmara region in Turkey, Kocaeli is the one of the unique touristical destination too. So, if you wanna catch these opportunities in our beautiful city of Kocaeli in Turkey, you can directly contact with me. My name is Hakan Özer. My mobile and WhatsApp number is 0090-532-207-8634. If you like our videos, please not forget to like our videos. If you didn't subscribe our YouTube channel yet, your support, your subscriptions are so important in this case too. Please subscribe our YouTube channel too. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.